guys, and welcome back to another iNick video. Today I'm going to tell you how to manage and delete stuff off of your iCloud. Now, I just finished doing a 10-minute video, and it was just full of random stuff that you guys didn't need to hear, so I'm trying to narrow it down in this clip so it's nice and quick. So first off, what is backups? It's basically taking the information from your phone and putting it up in the cloud. So if your phone got destroyed randomly, if you bought a new phone, all that information from up there will come back to your phone. Now, when you get a phone or iPad or Mac, you get 5 gigabytes of iCloud storage. And for most people, that runs up pretty quickly. So I'm going to tell you how to manage it and delete previous backup information. So first of all, you're going to find settings. You're going to tap settings. You're going to tap your name, right? And then you're going to tap iCloud under subscriptions. And it should say this. Show you your iCloud storage. So this is the apps using iCloud right now, and they're all good. Make sure also you want keychain on, well, especially someone like me, because it holds all my passwords, and I don't want to lose my passwords if my phone got broken. But this is how you manage your storage. You're gonna press manage storage. It's gonna bring you here, and this is all the storage that is being taken up, right? 2 gigabytes of my iCloud is just backups, right? And 1.5 is photos. So if I go into backups, right, and I click my iPhone, it's going to show me the last time I backed up, the size of the backup last time, and the next backup size. So this is basically controlling what's getting backed up next time. And this is basically where you have to choose, is this app important? If my phone got broken today, is it important that this stuff gets backed up? Okay, so for an example, in the last clip that I did, I turned all of this stuff off, but GarageBand, where is it? Right there. It used to be turned on, and it was 19 megabytes, and I'm like, I know 19 megabytes doesn't seem like a lot, but it is, kind of, when you only have 5 gigabytes, and you want to make sure that's turned off if you don't use it. And also, any Google application, Google Classroom, Google Docs, Google Slides, Google Sheets, all that stuff, turn it off for backups, please. Google already backs up all that stuff to their own cloud. And stuff like this, like Minecraft, do I need to back it up? Probably not. I don't really care about my Minecraft worlds on my phone. And TikTok, like all the drafts for the iNick TikTok channel. Yes, I do have a TikTok channel. The links for all my social profiles are down in the description, including TikTok. So go check that out. So you just want to see, okay, is this app important for me to back up? If my phone got destroyed today, is it important that I have it for if I buy a new phone, when it gets backed up to the cloud? Now, right now, I have a problem where my next backup's 6 gigabytes, which is not good. And I don't have that much storage. So I'm going to choose what I want to be backed up after this video, because I didn't know I had this type of problem. Okay, so basically, that's your storage. That's how much you have. That's what is using up your iCloud right now, right? So if I go here, and let's say I don't want my voice memos to be backed up, or I don't want this game to be backed up, I can press delete data, right? And that will take it directly out of iCloud. Not out of the next backup, but directly out of iCloud as of right now. And Siri, I could delete Siri data. And photos is 1.5 gigabytes, but like depending on who you are, you might want your photos to be backed up. Clips, I don't use clips, right? So I can delete it. Delete the document data. And see, it takes it out right there. 3.9 gigabytes instead of 4. So yeah, we're making progress. And one more time, you go to settings, name, iCloud. You can see everything that's using your iCloud, all that stuff. You could press manage storage. You can go to backups. You could go next backup, and you can select what's on your next backup. Now, if you press this button down here, delete backup, it will delete all the previous backups that it's done. And basically, that means if you had some old contacts that you deleted before, it'll delete those, and those will never be able to come back on your phone. Now, what I'm saying is, if you deleted it for a reason. You don't really need it to be backed up. Anyways, that's the 5-minute mark on this video. So I hope you guys enjoyed as much as you can. It's just talking about backups, but I hope you guys learned how to manage your backup storage so your phone can actually back up. Have a good day. Leave a like and subscribe. And I do have a goal of 200 subscribers by the end of this year. It would mean a lot if you just press the subscribe button down below. Have a good day, guys.